So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very, very special guest with us today. We have the angel coach and nutritionist Sriram with us. Sriram is from Bangalore. And we have Dr. Dillip Kumar Ojha. Dr. Dillip Kumar Ojha, he is 47 years age and he's from Hyderabad. And the health issues that he has, migraine from 7 years, monthly 3-4 episodes, now only one in last 3 months after beginning the diet plan. Constipation since childhood, almost 50-60% he says is gone. Acid reflux, 100% gone. Bloating gone. PFT failed, but now able to take stairs with ease, hoping to improve further. Eczema from 2 years, almost 60-70% gone. Job related stress, hair fall, right? Started oils and juices, eyesight, right? Trakta started not regular but will improve. Vitamin B12, grade 1 fatty liver, gallstones, weight. He started at 83. Now he is almost 78 kg, and the plan is not yet completed. And his energy levels are very high. The medicines he has completely stopped is Flunarin 5 mg, Nepra D 500 mg, Levocitrazine, amoxicillin, and Tio 60k. Blah 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 blah. So these are the medications. So that is all gone. So let's come over to you, Dr. Dillip. How has been your journey? If you can please unmute yourself. Yeah. Yes, you are unmuted. Yes.
Yes. Good evening. Good evening, Vishal sir. Good evening, everyone present over here. So my name is, as sir said, Dillip Kumar Ojha. I am basically from Odisha, Puri Jagannath. So by profession, I am a scientist working in Hyderabad. Yeah, I hold my PhD degree in organic chemistry. I am having overall 18 years experience. So yeah, so as everyone wants to become a better version of their life. So in terms of health, relationship, career, and money, I started just educating myself to become a best version of myself. So how can I forget about the health? So actually, I was holding a lot of health issue for a long time. Means I can say our company, I undergo these things, whole body checkup, where I got to know some issues I'm having, and along with some tangible health experience that I can say you, means 18 variety of health issue I'm having for a long time. So that has been a nightmare for me, like migraine, acidity, bloating, constipation, sinusitis. And those things actually, I feel like it has been an integral part of my life. And I started my journey in August 25. I just attended your high workshop over there, and I found fascinating by participating in your classes there. So once I got introduced with Sriram sir, and Sriram sir became the coach for me. And he's not my coach, not only coach, he's considering my brother, also family member as well. And by starting the courses, I can say I have completed around 5 diet plan, and the 6th one is going on. So adopting all of those, I significantly got rid of most of the cases, like migraine. So migraine I am holding for the last 10 to 15 years, I can say. So by taking those remedies, I can say I used to have 2 to 3 times a month. So now I am just, I had once for the since I started taking these remedies. And acidity, I was having a lot of acid reflux for the day. But then again, I taking these courses, that wellness courses. So my acidity completely disappeared. But I still having some bloating, which is inconsistent throughout. But I do feel better compared to earlier. Constipation 50 to 60%, 50% also disappeared. Sinusitis, what I was having, still I'm experiencing somewhat, but I am damn sure that I can get rid of those sinusitis. And some of other disease I am having. So out of 18 disease, so those can be known once I go for complete body checkup again. I am sure, like triglycerides, vitamin B12, cholesterol, HDL, VLDL, hemoglobin, calcium serum, fatty liver, and gallstone. So, based upon the experience so far, I am damn sure that I will stay away of everything once I go for complete health checkup. Yeah. So, yeah, that's all from my side.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. Dillip. And you're a scientist, almost 18 health issues you mentioned that, you were on and off medication, and now the medications are completely gone. That's great. Over to you, Sriram. How has been the journey with Dr. Ojha?
Thank you. Thank you so much, Vishal sir. I really enjoyed working with Dr. Dillip ji. And I also should thank, by name, my angel coach, Raksha ma'am, for guiding, supporting in every walk, in every step, whenever I had a doubt. About Dillip sir, I will tell you that he is one of those first row students. He is very, very diligent in whatever you give him. In case if he's unable to do it, he would outright say, "Sir, this I might need some time. Allow me 3-4 days and then I will do it." He has gone to the extent of ordering the ball infuser because he loved Hunza tea so much he wanted to drink at office, and I told him this is how you can do it, and he started doing it. The issue with Dr. Dillip's schedule was his staggered shifts, which I thought was a challenge. And we were able to outrun the challenge by slightly modifying wherever there was a need, and with a few simple tricks and tips that I told him, he has been able to follow it to the T. The best part about our interaction, every time and every single call, we would do our diet discussion, and at the end he would say, "I have a surprise for you," and I'll be like, "What surprise is he going to bring it?" He'll come with, "Oh, I lost 2 kilos weight." First call. Second call, I would say, "My colleagues have identified that there is some energy shift in me." So every single call, he had something or the other to bring up and say, "Hey, this is what happened this time. This is what happened this time." And I really enjoyed all the calls with him. So what I would like to tell is there are so many people that are taking a back step saying, "I'm not able to do this. I'm not able to do this." Look at doctor. Sometimes he gets up at the time when we sleep, and sometimes he sleeps when we are getting up. That's the kind of shifts he's running it, and he's still able to manage, he's still able to do it. So if you really are interested in enhancing your health and see a new you, then nothing is impossible. Everything can be done. You just have to know how to do it. That's something that I would definitely take away from whatever lessons I have learned from Dr. Dillip.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Sriram, for highlighting all the positives of Dr. Dillip and the way he followed. Thank you again, Dr. Dillip, and more power to you. Even after 20 years we meet, we need same energy and same health. Thank you so much.
I'd like to say something about Sriram, sir. So, as he said, means whenever I have some doubt, I wanted to clarify immediately, and he's very appreciative. And if he's busy, he keeps sending through messages, and that is very helpful. And thank you, Sriram sir, for guiding me, because I know means in India, 72% people are unhealthy. The latest research said that 72% are unhealthy. And if I get a chance, because I am healing now to myself, and I am surrounded by many people whom I see on daily basis. They are unhealthy and they need some supports. Okay, so once I get some opportunity to learn this knowledge, and so that I apply to them and I can help themselves, not only to my family, not only my near and dear, but also entire society.
Beautiful.
So, thank you very
Amazing.
much, sir, Sriram sir, for giving this opportunity and healing myself to the great extent.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Ojha. Thank you so much, Sriram. Everybody, please type MPTY. More power to you. Amazing story and hats off. Thank you so much.